As you very rightly said, health and food safety is going to be the new norm. So it's not, and it does not necessarily mean that we'll only stick to the Indian food. The chefs will explore Indian ingredients, sustainable ingredients, and incorporate that in other cuisine genre as well. And of course, we are working towards creating an indigenous ecosystem. Again, going by Government of India directive also of sustainable India, sustainable movement that is happening, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Chefs will work towards modifying their recipes. They will going to make sure that they incorporate plates. There'll be more research and more happening. A lot of work was already being done, but it was time when there's a need. It was more of a statement when people were talking about these immunity foods. Today, that's a requirement. There's a need for us to go back to our food and make sure our plates are healthy and safe. So both are equally important. I see a lot of vegetarian food coming in, a lot of vegan, plant-based food walking into our menus, into our systems. In America, yeah, there was a starting of a vegan burger, but that's no longer it's no longer a dream. It's going to be part of our plates. Also, India was always leader in vegetarian food. Vegetarian food is going to catch a big market here today. It's not. It's also because there's a lot of doubt where the virus is coming from. Everything else really goes back to that. So that is how I see my plate. My plate will be very safe, very hygienic, very healthy, immunity boosting food, but given by with a twist by a lot of talented chefs who are here on the panel. Absolutely. When we started with the herb rescue, that was way back in 90, it was at a very nascent stage. Today we see everybody getting into farm to plate, and till 6 months back it was just a statement that perhaps some people were making it, and now there is a requirement. Local food is there to explore. I have always believed what grows on the earth in your territory, in your terroir, is what you should consume. Again, based on the seasonality also. So what is seasonal is required to be eaten. So there we go for the local food. We should also at the same time help the farmers also to grow these things. We have to create a market for that. So local foods, my interaction with local food started way back when we started working on the Tehelvi field. We went to a lot of homes, culled out various local recipes, culled out the artisanal intrinsic ingredients. That's what we introduced. So as one dives more into it, you see what is happening in US also, in any other place of the world. You have turmeric latte, that is but our haldi ka doodh, which we have all had drinking in winters. You talk about flu. Everybody ate black pepper and clove and kada. Today that is part of a medicine. So we have to incorporate. We have to see the heritage, the food heritage that we have in these herbs and spices, and incorporate into our food. And local is the way to go forward.
But do you see a large movement happening all over the country? Do you think there's a unanimous?
Absolutely. Large people today are taking a lot of pride in what your country produces. There's a lot of pride in that. Gone were the 30 years ago when everybody thought that if you were a Western chef or if you were using Western ingredients, you had arrived in life. It's no longer the same. If you open an Instagram, you see so many posts where young chefs are taking pride in what they're doing locally. A lot of chefs on this forum also have their own herb gardens. They grow their own local produce and they're putting that on the plate. So that is the way forward. That is actually the only way forward. You reduce your carbon footprints. So at ITC Hotels, we did our local love, that was 6 years ago almost, which is a great hit. So each location offers the local cuisine, and it really resonates very well with the foreigners also, because they get to taste your local food in the comfort of your hotel and safety of your hotels as well. So I think local is the way forward, yes. Youngsters will find their path. They will explore the local ingredients and see how they want to incorporate that in their style with a difference. So there's a lot of work happening by a lot of young chefs. They are using the local ingredients in a very innovative and very interesting way. But of course, they will specialize in the cuisine that they want to do, because that's a career they would like to pursue. But simultaneously, maybe once they mature into a chef, they will incorporate these ingredients also. But initial learning of theirs would happen in their core cuisine, as I see it. For the time, there'll be a lot of focus on the hygiene and safety, and rightfully so. That will become that is a part of our DNA in a lot of five-star hotels, a lot of luxury hotels, yes. to see what's happening in the kitchens as well. So once that comes in control, then of course food will be hero, definitely.
To make a culinary
So I
theatre.
agree with you, Rohit. When the guidelines of MOT and FSSAI came
Come.
again post-COVID era, there was nothing much that I think we as a five-star kitchens had to
Absolutely.
do much.
It
Just
was-
then, just
it
to
is-
incorporate the social distancing, and that's about it. Not really much needed to be done.
Okay. So,
Maybe
Arun,
this
my
was
next
more
question
for perhaps the newer
is on-
standalone